Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to make a blueberry ice cream. So first you're going to make the blueberry sauce, and you're going to need one and a half cup of blueberries, quarter cup of sugar, and a quarter cup of water. And you're just going to mix it a bit, and you're going to let it simmer. So when it starts boiling like that, just help it by just smash the berries a bit and just keep on stirring up until your sauce starts to thicken. If you're having issues with your sauce thickening, just add about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and a little bit of water in a cup and mix it together, then put it into the sauce. It'll help it thicken as well. So once you're done making this sauce, you're just going to set it aside to allow it to cool, and we're going to move on to the cream mixture. You're going to add about 500 mils of fresh cream in a bowl, and you're going to whisk it together like that. After about 2 to 3 minutes of whisking, your cream should look like that, and then that's when you're going to add about 1 cup of condensed milk, and you're just going to continue whisking again. Continue whisking until your cream mixture starts developing some soft peaks like that, and then now you're going to add half of your blueberry sauce. We're going to use the rest for something else, but then for now just add half of it and just fold it in. Guys, look at that color. Can you look at it? It looks so beautiful. But anyway, just keep on mixing like that, and yeah. Once everything is mixed, transfer it to another tin that you can put in the fridge, and add half of the cream mixture. Then now add about a quarter or a half of the berries that are left, and then just create a pattern like that. It's gonna turn out, it's gonna look cute at the end. Just do it, I'm telling you. Then you're just gonna add the remaining mixture like that, and then you're just going to spread it around to cover that first layer of the berries that we put. Then after that, you're going to top it up with the rest of the berries, and then you're also going to create a cute pattern on top like that. So now you're going to take a cling wrap, and then you're going to cover your bowl. Guys, after this recipe, you're not going to buy ice cream again. Like, you're not. You really are not going to buy ice cream again. Anyway, just put it in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours or overnight. I put mine overnight. Then the next day, it looked something like this. Yo, guys! So now you're going to scoop your ice cream. I want you to look at something. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. Anyway, yeah, that's it guys for today's video. Enjoy your ice cream. You can put it in a cone, or you can just, have it like that, or you can have it with cake. I don't know. Just enjoy it. And thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, because we're almost hitting 1,000 subscribers. So guys, please subscribe. Bye.